Now we'll discuss one of the hallmark of neurodegeneration, that is protein folding and aggregation. So it is one hallmark of many neurodegenerative diseases in the accumulation of unfolded or misfolded proteins that leads to neurofibrillary tangles and plaques that cause neuronal cell cytotoxicity. There is increasing interest in the field on understanding the mechanisms required for the production and processing of proteins known to form these aggregates, as these protein aggregates are associated with Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's disease, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Some challenges in developing new therapies that target the protein aggregate formation include an incomplete knowledge of the mechanisms of actions as well as a lack of biomarker to diagnose conditions early and to monitor disease progression and therapeutic response. So, the hallmarks or protein targets which are associated with protein folding and aggregation in neurodegeneration includes beta amyloid, phosphotau, and alpha and beta synuclein.